Pagkasalamat. Sa Armed Forces of the Philippines family, sa inyong lahat, thank you very much for this interagency territorial defense operations. Deputy Chief of Staff for Operations, General Texas Suderio. By the way, kababayan natin siya kasi taga Santa Barbara. And our division commander of the Army, Major General Michael Samson. Thank you very much, General. Our Brigade Commander, Neil Patricio. Hindi dahil hindi kita kilala, alam mo, malapit na akong maging senior citizen. In case you don't know. And of course, our partners from the Navy and the Air Force. We also have the Bureau of Fire family. Of course, ang ating Philippine National Police. We have Colonel Hiro Rasalan here, and the rest of our PNP family is also joining. General Colonel Raul Fernandez and the Office of Civil Defense family. Thank you very much. Our department heads headed by Dr. Raul Banyas and the rest of the Iloilo Provincial Government family, and all the national, all our partner national government agencies, whether they are here or not, because they really are a part of this. And our Sangguniang Pandarugian, headed by our Vice Governor, Lian Nebuque, the board members of the First District. We have board members, Erminanda, and board members, Lita Berlin. And to that out, Mayor Richard Camille and Vice Mayor Saldenam. Thank you very much for having us here in Yagaw. Salamat. And Mayor Abanda Saro also, and the Vice President of Salamat. Salamat also for having us in Salwak. Maraming bagay ito. Kailangan natin ang lahat in order to protect our community. We need the whole community, and that is why we are doing it. But I will take time. To explain to you. I know na napaliwanag ko na ito, but I will do it again. Para malinaw sa mga kababayan natin, sa probinsya ng Iloilo, sa mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas, kung ano ginagawa natin, at kung saan nagaling ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, ang provincial government, at ang ating mga partner agencies sa ginagawa natin interagency territorial defense operations exercise. So insofar as our provincial government and our partners, ladies and gentlemen, let me give you this. Okay, we have it here. First, many of you are already familiar. This is our platform for our collaboration. This is our way of aligning with the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the rest of our partners and the national government in protecting our people and in protecting our So I give you 111 series of 2025. This is an executive order. Again, this is a system. This is a mindset. This is a way of doing things. This is a mode of governance in the area of protecting our people or in the area of community defense. So ang title ng ating executive order, an order to institute the Provincial Community Defense Action for More Progress. More progress in Iloilo is our mantra. Ang ibig sabihin, dahil acronym nito, our movement for a robust, progressive, globally competitive, and resilient province of